Power up your devices faster and smarter with the Anker Prime 100W 3-port GaN Charger. This compact powerhouse charges up to 3 devices simultaneously, boasting 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port for ultimate versatility. Get a whopping 100W output from each USB-C port individually, enough to fast charge your MacBook Pro to 50% in just 30 minutes. Despite its incredible power, the Anker Prime charger is surprisingly small, 52% smaller than Apple's 96W charger, and incredibly portable thanks to its foldable prongs. Anker's ActiveShield 2.0 technology constantly monitors temperature, ensuring safe and efficient charging for all your devices, from iPhones and MacBooks to Pixels and Galaxy devices. Worried about wobbly connections? The Anker Prime's sturdy prongs provide a secure fit. Don't miss out on this game-changing charger. Find the purchase link in the description below. Snag yours today and experience the ultimate charging convenience. This deal won't last long.